Hi guys, this is me, Brahm, and this is my home theater, like my alarm system. So as you can see right now, the alarms are off, and this is like right now really crazy. So the lights are on, and like you can't see the blinks. But anyways, this is just like what's going on. So thanks for watching Bram's home security system.
Hey, guys, as you saw in my alarm system video, the effects of like the new and the thing. So let me just tell you what this is all about. Okay, so this is it. Now what happens is outside we have cameras and inside the house, and we have those mini cameras where it's kind of hard to see. The person can't see who breaks into the house, can't see what's going on, where they can't, if we even have cameras. But we do have one outside my room that is a real camera that I wanted really bad, so my mom gave it up and did it. But rest around the house, they're little black cameras, the size of the Mac camera. If you guys have a MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, newest Macs, iMac, you'll see a little camera. It'll be that size, bit bigger, and we'll be putting like a little black lendy camera, so it'll just look like a little black sunlight entrance thing. Now this is how it works. When we're outside, it's recording, and also we can see whatever's going on from in front of our house on the street, sidewalk, Bobby, or next door neighbors. Then we have it in our backyard to see what happens, and like all that stuff. Now, if anybody enters our backyard, a miniature alarm will go off, and it will just be like this. And then it'll just keep on continuously beeping like that until the person gets out of the house. Now, it gives them I think it's 4 or 3, I don't know this, because I haven't looked in that carefully on the backyard one. It's in 3 or 4 minutes to exit our backyard. Now, if they don't exit our backyard within that time, then there will be cameras will be set right on his face and still around the house, but it'll be directly and look at his movement. Then, what will happen is that as soon as he touches our house, then comes that thing. Let me show you what I mean. It'll be this.
Hi guys, this is me, Brahm,
It'll be that.
and this is my home theater, like my alarm system. So
It'll be that. And sound. And the
as you can see right now, the alarms are off, and
that beep 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 is sensor things, meaning it tells the people where the room is in. So there's actually going to be people like visible, so the cops know where the person is in if they're outside the house. So this is how it works. Okay, in the kitchen we have sensors that feel on the ground if anything's like movements going around. Now I don't think this is possible to like break or anything, because I mean if you are able to float, you could get past this security, but if you walk, it'll sense it and the will go off. So that activates where the room is in. Now outside the house we have all these like speakers, so it'll be king 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 king, that noise where it is. So if it will be in my room, it'll be displaying outside. If it will be in the bathroom, it'll be displaying on the bathroom window. If it will be displaying, it'll be on the kitchen window, and it's my mom's window. So that's how it works. And the is a neighborhood, so everybody knows in the neighborhood that somebody's breaking in. And I obviously know that everybody knows we're getting broken into, because that's like only our security. So that tells everybody that we have a break-in, to keep a lookout where the person goes, so that gets their attention. Now there's a card on this. Now let's say, like, see this computer right here? This computer? Let's say, just say, it falls down, goes right on the ground. First of all, the sensors will go off. If it stays on the ground for over 5 seconds, moving or not moving, the thing goes on. Then if it still continues to stay in that place or move around, then sound comes on. Then the police get notified after 15 seconds of this happening. So, oh yes, I also forgot to tell you this. Let's say when they break in, everything on electrical outlets shut off. By shut off, I mean everything in the house shuts off. The alarm will only stay on. That's going by solar. It charges up, and it has its own electricity wire. It has its own separate. So that won't be the only one that shuts off. So it'll just everything will shut off, let's say this will just light will shut off. Everything will shut off except the alarm. Then what activates are the red and the blue lights. Now that makes the whole room blue, as you can see right here. See the blue light? See that? Wait, let me just get one. See that? Those lights. Let me get this light in. So we have them all around the house that activate. So yeah, that's how it works. And we're with ADT. What we do is we get these special upgrades, which costs lots of money. I can't tell you that, but we get these special upgrades. Well, you have to be with this. You have to be with ADT, and then there's this personal security system. They monitorize, meaning if you have Bay Alarm, you can still get this. Meaning you have to have a security system. Now, personal security area does this. They add it to your ADT or Bay Alarm or Watch or whatever. So that's how it works. Anybody could get this. So thanks for watching my vid.